Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Blox laptop. This innovative approach lets you build a personalized device by selecting individual components. The main idea is to create a laptop that is easily upgradable and repairable, extending its lifespan significantly. You'll start by choosing a foundational framework or an open-source design that supports modularity, ensuring all your chosen parts will fit together seamlessly. This gives you incredible flexibility. Next, you'll gather the essential internal components. Begin by selecting a central processing unit, or CPU, and at least 8 GB of random access memory, or RAM, to ensure smooth performance. For storage, a solid-state drive, or SSD, of 512 GB or more is recommended for speed. Finally, choose a display panel, perhaps a 13-inch or 15-inch screen, with your preferred resolution for clear visuals. Now comes the exciting part: assembly. Carefully connect your chosen CPU, RAM modules, and solid-state drive to the motherboard. These connections are often straightforward, using specific slots and connectors. Next, mount the display panel into its housing and integrate the battery, typically a 50 watt-hour unit, ensuring all power connections are secure. Finally, secure all these components within your chosen chassis or frame, making sure everything is snug and protected. With the hardware assembled, it's time for software. Install your preferred operating system, such as a popular version of Linux or Windows, to bring your laptop to life. After installation, personalize your device with external peripherals like a comfortable keyboard, a precise mouse, and any other accessories you desire. You now have a fully functional, custom-built laptop, offering unparalleled flexibility and the ability to upgrade individual parts whenever you wish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.